Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. It brings me so much joy and excitement to share with you the first subscriber unboxing that's open to any brand on my channel. So lovely Kendrea, who's a subscriber of my channel, who made the trek from Melbourne to Brisbane for my Fendi event last year, suggested that everybody who was buying Fendi Cruise Collection or Fendi Baguettes from the re-edition release could send through a video of their unboxing so that we could cover as much of the collection as possible. And I thought, what a wonderful idea. And you guys responded so generously and you were so excited by this concept that we have decided through some of our live chats to continue the subscriber unboxings indefinitely. So every month I'm inviting you to share the bags that you've been buying, whether you want to reveal them, whether you want to send some mod shots in a video, whether you want to do an unboxing in 59 seconds, do your video in landscape mode, send me a DM on Instagram and you will be included. All of the information is on my channel on the trailer video, so that if at any time you want to reference that, you can. It's also linked in the description box here below. My channel has a very clear aesthetic. One of the most recent bags I've unboxed is this beautiful Fendi Mohair Baguette, but I know it's not to everyone's taste. So this video is featuring what's new from Louis Vuitton. There is some Fendi, yes. There's some Dior, there's some Valentino. It's just a myriad of I said Louis Vuitton, yes. There's just a myriad of beautiful bags and I am so excited to see what you guys are buying. I hope that you're excited to see what my subscribers are buying and unboxing, because there are some absolute jewels in this video. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumb up and show these guys your appreciation for sharing their beautiful goods. And I'll see you at the end.
Hi Dale, I'm so happy to give you a Fendi reveal, and it is my very first and loving peekaboo in an ice and asphalt color with a little bit of python on the handle, and I'm so excited to take it out. It's winter out there, so I have to be careful with the conditions, but your reviews were of great help and I'm loving this bag. Thank you so much.
Hi Dale, hi fellow luxury lovers. Really excited to be participating in this subscriber reveal and unboxing. I've got mine here. Let's show you. This is a fun one. It's bright, it's colourful. It's a great one. It's the right way round for you. 3, 2, 1, let's go! The Aspinal of London, London Tote in tea rose pebble, large size, champagne gold hardware. Absolutely stunningly glorious and all things fabulous. The perfect bag potentially exists and I think it's in front of you. Thank you so much, Dale, for letting me participate. Can't wait to see what the rest of you have picked up. Thanks so much.
Hi, it's Geraldine, and I'm getting in just under the wire for Dale's January bag openings, bag hauls, bag reveals. Mine's a reveal because I unboxed my beautiful new Birkin 30 in Paris in order to bring her home. So here she is, Birkin 30, a taupe, palladium hardware. A true beauty. I was so lucky to be in Paris for the first 2 weeks of January, and equally lucky to get an incredible bag.
I appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So
Different brand. So exciting. Ooh. She's so pretty. So pretty. Look at those tees.
So, like Amelia's closet, I have an issue and I store my gifts to myself for long periods of time and I don't open them. That was my birthday gift for June. This is my treat yourself gift for October. That was my Christmas gift. And then this was just because I wanted it. So sometimes I wonder, why don't I have a Birkin? Well, guess what? It's right here.
I told you there was some eye candy in this video. Isn't it amazing what people are buying? And it just makes my heart sing. To me, this is probably some of the best unboxing content that I see, because it's people who don't have a YouTube platform sharing what they've bought. And so many of you are secret luxury enthusiasts, and for you to trust me to share your beautiful pieces, I'm really honoured, and I'm sure all of the subscribers watching this video are too. So thank you so much for your generosity. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. The next one will close off on the 25th of February. So if you want to be included, just follow the instructions in the video in the description box below, because we want to see what you've picked up too. Until our next video, ciao!